Are you ready to kickstart your day with delicious sugar-free protein shake? Let's see how we do it. First, let's add a scoop of high-quality protein powder to help repair and build those hard-earned muscles. Let's add some ice cubes to it to add the potassium dose to your muscles. Now let's add sugar-free sweetener to add to your taste. A bit of vanilla flavoring. To add the fat content to it, let's add some cream. Now comes the real hydration to your body, water. Now let's blend it all to get the perfect protein shake. Happy sugar surfing.